Welcome guys. So if you are a beginner watching this video is mostly for you. I'll be taking you from the start in forex trading. If you don't know what forex trading, I'm going to take you from the start. So this video is mostly for beginner. If you are a beginner watching this video, I'll be making the video and I'll be giving you the series of, we'll be going on series. So I'll be giving you the series we will be going on. So in this video, I'm here to give you the introduction of what I'm about to do for beginner. So if you are searching what's forex and you are a beginner trader, this video is for you. You have to follow my page and turn on your notification bell because I'll be dropping the video right now. I'll be dropping from this week. I'll be telling you what forex is and whatever you have to know in the forex industry. So this video I'll be dropping what our topics. I'll be dropping the topics for you so you know what will be coming next in my next videos that I'll be dropping. It's going to be a series. I'm going to take you through understanding how forex market works. So this is going to be our first goal. So I'm listing the goals for you in this first beginner class which I'm about to take you through. The second goal here is some key trading terminologies you are going to learn from this video. I'm going to teach you how some key terminologies, how you can, when you are talking to other traders and they are saying some things, how you can communicate with them, because most times they are not going to use the full words for some things for you. So you have to understand the terminologies, TP, SL, and all of those stuff. I'm going to teach you what it is and how you can know more details terminology. I'm going to teach you in my next videos, which is going to be series, and I'm listing the goals now. Understanding how the forex market works, teaching you how you'll be learning the key terminologies in forex trading. So the next one is master basic chart reading. I'll teach you also how you can master the basic chart readings, because the first time you come on the chart, it's kind of like confusing, it's noisy there. So I'm going to teach you how you can master the basics of chart reading. So whenever you come on chart, you know what you are looking for, you know what everything is. I'll give you how you can master. I'll give you the perspective which you can look into the market and you know what the market is doing, so you can have the idea of whatever is happening in the market. I'll also give you in the series. The fourth one is understanding risk management. I will teach you how you can understand risk management, what's risk management, how you can manage your risks in the market so you don't blow your accounts, how you can navigate your ways, and how you can trade efficiently. I'm also going to teach you in this first series. Then we'll go on building a trader's mindset. So all these bulletins here, or all this outline, is not designed to make you rich overnight. It's designed to give you the basics of forex trading. After you go from the basics, then you can understand what is really happening in the market, so you just don't come blindly and lose a whole lot of money. So this is what I'm here to do in this first series. So it's going to be series by series. So this first series, not all these I've called for you. This is what we are going to treat in this next series. So once you are done, then we'll move to the next one. So you have to watch out for me. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe to the channel. Then turn on the notification bell. So whenever I drop the series, you come and watch and you will learn before you end. So with this being said, guys, I'll see you in my next video.